President Donald Trump vowing to continue the legal fight over his travel ban affecting 7 majority Muslim nations, but an appeal is on hold for now. CNN sources say the White House may try to tweak the original executive order or come up with a new one. Jesse Deguiado reports a constitutional law expert says several other options are possible.
A new president's executive order hits a brick wall, a unanimous vote by an appeals court.
This is one of those areas where you have a confluence of politics and law.
The president may consider filing an entirely new executive order, or Washington State's lawsuit may go back to the appeals court to hear the case in its entirety.
That will take a long time, probably over a year.
Or the Trump administration may try to take the appeals court decision straight to the Supreme Court.
My guess is that they won't.
Being it's a procedural matter whether to uphold the stay on the travel ban.
That's generally not something the Supreme Court gets involved in.
Unless, he says, other similar lawsuits bubble up and there's no agreement in lower courts. But if the travel ban reaches the Supreme Court before Neil Gorsuch is likely confirmed in May and the judges are split 4-4.
Whenever there's a tie in the Supreme Court, whatever the Court of Appeals decided remains in effect.
He says the High Court also might wait until its vacancy is filled. So what can the refugee community expect between now and a final ruling?
I would say it's not likely that anything will change within a year, but beyond that, I don't know.
For now, President Trump did say,
we'll be doing something very rapidly having to do with additional security for our country. You'll be seeing that sometime next week.
As early as Monday, President Trump told reporters on Air Force One. Now, the St. Mary's law professor told me that candidate Trump's campaign rhetoric about a so-called Muslim ban is usually not a matter of law. It's all about the actual wording in the executive order. Jesse Deguiado, KSAT 12 News.